Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss how to improve your grand test score. But before, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Most of the people have this question that even when they are studying 10 to 12 hours, putting their best, their GT score, still not improving. And this is the point where we start doubting ourselves and our preparation. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you few points by which you can increase your GT score. First of all, let me tell you that grand tests are way tougher than NEET PG. Why? Because grand tests are designed in such a way that it has more new question as comparison to NEET, where it has most of the previous year's questions or relatable questions, and GT has more number of moderate and tougher questions, whereas in NEET there are more number of easy questions and moderate questions. Now suppose after doing all of this, still your GT score not improved and you are stuck between 600 to 700 marks in the last GT that you gave before NEET PG. Still, don't lose hope, because you don't know what is coming for you. Maybe the questions you have attempted, the theory that you have studied so far from the last 1 year, the questions are from that only. So whatever happens, still don't lose hope. Go with the positive attitude. Always remember that your self-confidence is more than your self-doubt. First of all, we will see what is the purpose of giving GT. It is not to demoralize you, it is to make you familiar with the environment that you gonna face in the NEET PG exam, the stress that you have to handle, the panics that you have to control. It also help you to sit for 3.5 hours continuously on the same table with the same dedication. Secondly, it helps to analyze your weak subjects or topic that you don't know that you are lacking. And lastly, it helps to boost your confidence. My mentor used to say that everyone has the same knowledge. Thing which give you extra edge is your confidence. Now what are the problems that students usually face is time management. Most of the students have this common issue that sir, we are not able to complete our exam because there are very lengthy questions, very case scenarios, very informative questions, so we are not able to complete the exam in the meantime. Second issue, that the students are having difficulty in recalling the facts, and few students, they are usually weak in a particular topic or subject. Now for the time management issue, the student should give as many as GT as possible so that their time management issue can be resolved. And secondly, if they have any difficulty in recalling the facts, make a chart of that particular topic and you can stick onto your wall or your study table so that you can keep practicing, can keep revising that fact. And if some students who are weak in particular topic or subject, then I advise you to give 1 extra hour to that particular topic, and it will help you to strengthen your weak topic. Now few things you can do to improve your GT score, because you know everyone has completed their first revision in the month of October or September itself, so you can revise more. When you complete your second or third revision, then you can see that your GT score start improving. Secondly, you can give daily 30 minutes to your flashcards so that you can memorize the facts more and more, and it will retain in your memory. Next, you can give 30 minutes to the questions that you have bookmarked during your preparation. These small things will gradually help you to improve your GT scores and also help you to memorize the facts that have been taught in the subject. And most importantly, review your GT on the same day and analyze your weak topics and give efforts to improve that particular subject or topic. You can progressively increase your GT frequency, and if you want a video on that, I will share the link where I have told you how you can increase your GT frequency. Revise the previously asked questions and their related topics and give 1 hour extra to your weak subject. Now, few things that you have to avoid. Firstly, don't give complete revision to the whole subject for a particular topic. Suppose if you are weak in particular subject or particular topic, then don't give your hours to revise complete subject or start watching your videos. It will hamper or delay your preparation. Secondly, don't waste time in making new flashcards. Revise only the flashcards that you have made already. And most importantly, don't change your strategy frequently. Stick to your strategy, stick to your techniques, and you will definitely get the result. So guys, this is it. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you.